Do you want to know a simple habit that can completely change your English? Not a complicated method, not expensive classes, something easy, free, and something you can do every single day. Most learners ignore it, but this one habit is the reason some people improve fast and others feel stuck for years. And the best part, you can do it anywhere. This is Daily Lingo, and today we are talking about listening. Why listening changes everything. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt like this? You study English, you know grammar rules, you know many words, but when someone speaks, your mind freezes. You feel nervous, you are afraid you won't understand, you are afraid to answer. If this sounds like you, you are not alone. Many English learners feel this way. And here's the truth. The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is not your grammar. The problem is not enough listening. Listening is how language really enters your brain. Think about how you learned your first language. Did someone give you a grammar book when you were a baby? Of course not. You listened again and again to your family, to people around you, to TV, to real voices. Your brain learned naturally. English works the same way. Listening is not extra. Listening is the foundation. Why Daily Lingo focuses on listening. Here at Daily Lingo, we believe something very simple. You don't need to sit at a desk to learn English. You can learn English while driving, while walking, while cleaning, while cooking, while exercising, even before sleep. If you can hear English, you can learn English. That's why listening is powerful. What listening improves? All at the same time. When you listen regularly, something amazing happens. Your pronunciation improves. Your vocabulary grows naturally. Your understanding becomes faster. Your confidence increases. And the best part, you don't have to try hard. Your brain does the work for you. But I don't understand everything. Good. That means you're doing it right. You do not need to understand every word. Native speakers don't understand every word either. Focus on the general idea, the situation, the feeling. Understanding comes gradually. Accents are not your enemy. American, British, Australian, different accents, different voices. At first, it feels confusing, but listening is like training a muscle. The more accents you hear, the stronger your listening becomes. Tip from Daily Lingo. Mix accents. One day American, next day British. Your brain adapts faster than you think. Real English versus textbook English. Textbooks are useful, but they don't teach real English. Listening teaches you how people really speak. Common phrases, natural expressions, tone, and emotion. You learn things like, no worries, that's awesome, it's not a big deal. These are not grammar rules. This is real life English. Listening builds confidence. When you understand more, you feel calmer. When you feel calmer, you speak better. Confidence doesn't come from perfection. Confidence comes from familiarity. Listening gives you that familiarity. How much listening do you need? Here's the good news. You don't need hours, just 10 to 15 minutes a day, every day. Consistency beats intensity, just like brushing your teeth. What should you listen to? Simple rule. If it's boring, stop. Choose things you enjoy. Podcasts, videos, short stories, conversations, DailyLingo episodes. When you enjoy it, learning happens automatically. Subtitles, yes or no? Yes, use them. In English, subtitles are not cheating. They are a learning tool. Over time, you'll need them less and less. A small daily lingo challenge for you. Starting today. Listening to English every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Do it while living your life. No pressure, no stress, just listening. Final thought. Every time you listen to English, you move one step closer to fluency. Not fast, not slow, but steady. Keep listening, keep learning, and let Daily Lingo be part of your daily life. See you in the next episodes.